Hello, everybody. I didn't prepare for this. Today, we are going... Jesus Christ. Hello, everyone. My name is Barry the Egyptian Wolf, and today we are doing a drawing... Hello, guys. My name is Barry the Egyptian Wolf, and today we are going to be doing a drawing tutorial. I've been wanting to do these for a while now, lately. And I think it would be pretty good with my content, even though it's been crap lately. But I think the first character we're going to be drawing today is Reigan Arataka from Mob Psycho 100. And after these characters, there will be a bunch more later on. So please stick around, and I will be teaching you the basics of drawing. Because one, this anime character is kinda simple, but not too hard, if that even makes sense. So anyway, the first thing we're gonna be doing... How many hair is on here? So the first thing we're gonna be doing is drawing a light, faint square. Now, there are three types of these. The circle, here, I'll draw these out in the corner. Wow, that's a terrible circle. The circles with guidelines. The square with the guidelines, that's what we're going to be using today. And this one, with the guidelines. And yes, there is a difference. I don't freaking care. These are dependable on different art styles. There is a difference here, in my opinion. That's all the art style knowledge I have for this one. But today we are going to be doing a light sketch of a square. Feel free to pause anytime if I do go fast, which I probably won't. Alright, you got that? You got that down? Alright, good. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to start down here. We're going to work on the face later. Now pay attention to this, because you're going to be going straight like this. And then once you get up to this point right here, you want to start going up. At least up to here. Now do the same thing on the other side, but give this right here a little bit of a curve, so it doesn't look like a freaking triangle. It's not like we're drawing DBZ characters, which we're gonna get to that. Oh my god. And okay, so the next step we're gonna be doing is that we are going to be drawing... Let me just rise this up a little. I don't know if we should do the hair line or the ears. We should probably do the hair. So I think starts out like this and it rises. Then it goes like this. And then it has that little dip right here in the middle. It's always going to be there no matter what you do. And then it goes down again. And now we can work on the ears. Because you can see Reigan's hair is kind of it's kind of focused on the middle of his face. So be sure to keep in mind on that when you're drawing Reigan. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is drawing his ears, which are pretty simple. Don't make them too big or else they just look weird. Okay, now this ears art style is also simple compared to all the other anime characters I have drawn over the years. Like JoJo's, for example, is kind of simple, but definitely has a realistic art style to it, or DBZ. You just do this, you put a curve right in the bottom of here. This is where I like to start. And then go all the way up here. Then you do the same for the other side, curve all the way up here. And then you just draw lines. Now, I guess we can really just start working on the face. Where's all this hair coming from? Oh my god. Well, actually, let's give him the neck. Feel free to pause if I do go fast. Now let's do the neck. So right here, his neck length is gonna be like right to the point where his chin face, going up. So you're gonna have to want to start here. Okay, yeah, let's work on the face. Now his eyes are like half open. It depends on the art style. Well, it really doesn't. But it looks like this. It's kind of like a depressed look. And the eyebrows go like up in the end and then down. And then you have to draw like a little rim of the eye, because that's what Reigan has, different to Mob. And now we draw the other eye. Oh shit. Made a mistake. Made that eye a little too big. Kind of tired, but don't worry, I can handle it. See, fixed it. So eyebrow goes up and then down, up, yeah, up. And now we just gotta make the pupils. Booyah! There's Reigan's pupils. Yeah. Oh, ow! I think for now we can actually erase the guy line. Well, not really for now, we just gotta get rid of it so it looks more cleaner. And his nose kind of goes like this. Yeah, that's what his nose looks like. Maybe? I don't know, it's been a while since I've seen Mob. And then his lips or mouth, just give him a basic frown, like, and then give him lip. Give him the lip. And you know what? Why not give him a smart mark? This ain't. Now his hair. We're gonna finish the face by making the hair. So it always starts off here. His hair can go either left or right. It really doesn't matter. But I want to draw it to the left. So you kind of gotta make it a bit high, and then you stop right here, because this is where it starts to make little spikes. First thing, you want to go up, and then down, and then do it again, but kind of forward, and then you go down, and down again. And there's Reigan's hair. You can erase the guideline because the face is completely done. Now, we're gonna try to make the body, which is actually, in my opinion, kinda challenging, and I like that, and it's pretty fun. So the first thing we're gonna do is draw a line here, and then we stop it kinda in the middle, and then we go down. And then we go up over here, and then draw the other half, and then we gotta go up to this point of his neck right here. Ladybug, I swear to God, stop. There's so many ladybugs in my house. Then we draw the other side, and then they have to go down, or give them like a little the thing. I don't know. But then we're gonna have to make his I don't know, tuxedo. I am so tired. Like, Jesus, I'm doing this at midnight. Where are all you ladybugs coming from? So I really can't talk. And I think it's kind of a round. And then you stop right there, okay? Because right at this point, you're gonna have to go back. And then you gotta do this. And boom, you could just line that up. Actually, let's make that a bit thinner. There we go, that's better. I think that's what it looks like. Give me some slack, I'm trying. Then we go here. Oh wait, we need to finish part of this. So go back down at this part right here, and then we just put that together and put 2 lines on here. And then we go down on this side, put this up, and you slide it all the way down. And then right here, we gotta give them a tie. Just like this. You could give it lines if you want, I don't care. And then put all the way down. Put 2 wrinkles and 1 here. Finish this one curve and give it 2 lines. There we go, there's his chest. Now let's give this, his second one. Just do the exact same thing. Why does that look so lower? Okay, hold on. That looked way lower. And I think there's a button down here that puts it together. Yeah. I think that's what it looks like. Make it black. Make it black. And then the next thing you want to do, yeah, we gotta try this again. Back. Make it a triangle. It kind of looks weird, but I'll work what I got. I'm kind of drawing this all in memory, honestly. If I do get something wrong, notify me for it. Let's finish the neck. We just gotta give it a black line. Shade it in. Was I so tired? Then let's just give him 1 neck mark, and neck mark, that's a thing. And there you go. I think we can start doing the body. Let's give him the shoulders. And I think at this point they go down. Let's do the other side. Let's do the other side. And I think they curve right here because of the wrinkles. Because, you know, Mob Psycho really loves to draw wrinkles. Like, holy crap. And I'm impressed. And then let's not make the body ginormous. But it kind of like goes in on itself. Kind of works like JoJo's art style. Now you do the same thing for the other side. Give him a wrinkle here. Give him 1 here. Give him 1 here. Then make the line. Give him another wrinkle and put him here to make it look more detailed. And I think that's reigan for you. Yeah, I think he's done. So what I'm gonna do for every one of my videos is I'm gonna take this same picture, put it onto my phone, and draw it out in color. So you can see the entire color version of it. So I'll be right back, the tutorial is finished, and then you can really just watch this speed art.